Okay, guys. So today we'll be learning about chapter 5. It's a very simple chemistry chapter. Abby, pay attention. So we're gonna
I'm on
learn.
Snapchat.
You asked me to teach you chapter 5, and you're like, you're gonna go on Snapchat.
Go ahead. Snapchat.
Okay. So basically, in chapter 5, we talk about naming molecules, especially ionic bond and covalent bond.
Okay.
Do you know what an ionic bond is?
No. I don't know anything.
I don't know anything. Ionic bond
That's
is
why
a
I'm asking
bond
you to teach me.
that occurs between metal and non-metal.
Alright.
So metals are normally on the left side of the periodic table, and non-metals are normally on the right side of the periodic table. Okay?
Yes.
Do you know what a covalent bond is?
No, I don't.
You know it.
No.
You know what it is. Okay, whatever. Okay, covalent bond is a bond that occurs between non-metal and non-metal.
Alright.
Do you know how these bonds work?
Bond.
Well, it works. So metals tend to lose electron, and non-metals tend to gain electron. So in this bond, metals would give the one electron or two or three to non-metal, and then the non-metals will just keep those electrons. While covalent bond, they would share the electrons because it's a bond between non-metal and non-metal, and they don't like to give away electrons, so they just share
Why not?
because they have higher ionization energy.
Why so?
Because it's on the right side of the periodic table.
Why it's on the right side of the periodic?
Because it's in an increased atomic number.
What's increased on?
Increased atomic number is how the periodic table is formed.
How?
Because we wanted to make a regular pattern in the elements.
Alright.
Cool.
You get 100%.
Thank you. What the heck? Alright, so in chemical formula, we have 3 chemical formula.
Just 3. We have only 3.
You seem like you have a lot of problems today, happy student.
happy student.
Alright, so the first chemical formula would be empirical formula. Do you know what an empirical formula is?
It's when you take the smallest score number of the molecular formula and you just divide that's values the integer by the smallest score. That's
Yeah.
what you mean.
Yeah, so basically when you do that, you get a relative number of the atoms for each element. And then the second would be molecular formula.
She's thinking
Molecular
like, why
formula.
I'm here? Why I'm here?
What is a molecular formula?
It's the actual formula.
Yeah, so you don't divide it.
Yeah, you
It's
don't-
an actual number of atoms for
For example, glucose 6,6H12O6.
yeah, or H2O2.
Yeah, that's
And then-
hydrogen peroxide, right?
Yeah, right. But then you can also say it's dihydrogen dioxide.
Yeah. That's a type 2 binary compound.
Yeah, and then you can say this as HO, empirical formula. That's divided by 2. And then structural formula.
I like your handwriting.
Thank you. Do you know what a structural formula is?
Structural formula? No.
Structural formula is where we use a line to represent covalent bond. For example, CO2. CO2 has 2 double bonds. So O.
Yeah.
Basically, we use lines.
That's a
to-
central atom of carbon.
Yes, that I know it's a
Because-
central
because
atom.
It has like least electronegativity.
I know that. Wait, yes. Yes. No, but it's also yeah. So as we go, I need more tissue.